Hi from Paul Simon and Entrepreneurial Grit, as we're in production mode here at StepRack HQ. I just wanted to go over a few aspects of what you get straight from the box. Is a StepRack key management system, which is there to show you what the product's about, and it's got the wall mounted brackets included. But basically what we're trying to get over is the actual fact that you can upgrade and move with the brand, and then slowly but surely build up your StepRack key management system, be that wall mounted or straight into the filing cabinet, which then there's other levels which we can introduce you to that will show you exactly what the keys are for. You can be color coded direct from us, or we can give you the options of buying color coded, but we can do that because we're the manufacturer. So we can have a bespoke roller shutter to cover the keys on the wall mounted, which again with security cameras, biometric filing cabinet, all these are on offer, that you can make it so your product grows as we grow. So you're able to even white label under our license. This is what we've got to offer, but because we are the manufacturer, UK manufacturer. So with this, I'm just trying to demonstrate that if that's blue, purple, green, for example, we can color code the rack and the keys for that introduction before you get into the QR level, which is on the app, which then you can then QR individual racks, individual key fobs, and so on and so forth. So that gives you the option of getting all the back office, as we call it, of all the details on each key fob. So hopefully that helps you explain and gives you an insight into the unique selling points of what we have to offer here at StepRack. So hope to see you at the National Landlord Investment Show on November the 2nd in London. So it's bye from now from Paul Simon and Entrepreneurial Grit and StepRack. Speak to you again soon. Bye.